Mayoor School Sriganganagar prides itself on the quality of its educational programs, the professionalism of its staff, and enthusiasm of its students. We at Mayoor are all geared up to pave the way of growth and nurture our students with a learning environment, fully facilitated classrooms, and specialized laboratories. Extraordinary co-curricular activities and infrastructure built up with an aspiration to inculcate different skills in our children. We work in the direction of forming a bright future of our children and engrossment of technical skills in the field. The boarding house facilities of Mayoor School gives a platform for holistic development of your child.